Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Budin and my metric number is 066333. Today I will be presenting individual assignment for chapter 6 and I choose question number 2. Finding the data. We have three groups, the medication group, the exercise group, and the diet group. Each group consists of individuals who follow one of these techniques for 4 weeks and we recorded the reduction in their blood pressure. Next, we perform an ANOVA test to determine if there are any statistically significant difference between the groups. The mean and the variance for three groups were given. For medication group, the mean is 11.8 and the variance is 5.7. For exercise group, the mean is 3.8 and the variance is 10.2. And the diet group, the mean is 7.6 and the variance is 10.3. The value for SSC and SSW also given. For SSC, the value is 116.13 and the SSW value is 104.8. First step, calculate the degree of freedom. The degree of freedom between for the test is 2 and the degree of freedom within for the test is 12. Then calculate the mean square. The mean square between for the data is 80.065 and the mean square within for the data is 8.733. Then we calculate the F statistic. The formula for F statistic is mean square between divided by mean square within, and the answer is 9.17. Next, we find the p-value for the data. The p-value can be determined by using degree of freedom between and degree of freedom within in the F distribution table. From the table, we got the p-value for the data. The p-value is 3.89 at 5% significant level. Since the p-value 3.89 is less than the F statistic value 9.17, we reject the null hypothesis. This indicates that there is a significant difference between the technique used to lower the blood pressure. Then we continue with Bonferroni test. First of all, we need to find the number of comparison and the adjusted significant level. For number of comparison, the value is 3 and the adjusted significant level for the value is 0.0167. Then we continue to calculate the mean difference for the data. For means, we got the value is 8.0 and the pool variance is 7.95 and the standard error is 1.78. Then we calculate the t-statistic. The t-statistic formula we need to find by using mean difference divided by standard error and the value is 4.49. Then we find the degree of freedom. The degree of freedom of the data is 8. Then we can find the p-value by using t-distribution table. Since the data is two-tailed, so we need to refer at 0.025 significant level and the degree of freedom is 8. From the table, we obtain that the p-value is 2.306. Since the p-value we obtained was 2.306, which is greater than the adjusted alpha level of 0.0167, this means that despite the observed difference in mean, the Bonferroni test indicate that the difference between the medication group and the exercise group is not statistically significant when accounting for multiple comparison. That's all for me. Thank you.